Long time no see everyone and welcome back to my channel. It has been a while and at this point it is super funny because I feel like most of my makeup tutorials start with exactly that line. But yeah, I won't even promise to be super active this time. I'm just glad to see you here and present you a new makeup tutorial today from the cartoon series Hazbin Hotel, the character Angel Dust. He's my favorite and I'm super excited to show you something that is not anime on this channel for once. It won't stay once, I can promise that, as I'm super hyped and super into those franchises. So yeah, I don't know what else to say, let's get right into it. As always, I start off by inserting my lenses first. I couldn't find pink sclera lenses, so I chose red ones instead. I then put my hair out of the way. The next step is gonna be to tape my face and my eyebrows. I'm using this tape, but I honestly cannot recommend it, so rather take something that works out for you. I apply it to the outer edge of my eyebrow to lift it up and also move my hooded eyes a little along with it. Keep in mind to not tape too strongly, as this can lead to headaches, or it will just look a little weird if you're not able to use your facial muscles anymore. The second pair of tape will be applied along my cheekbones to give me a little facelift. I'm then starting off with applying some primer. As you can see here, I edited the colors of the video a little, as in a later stage of the video where I used pink eyeshadow, the colors got distorted, so I took out some of the yellow, which ended up distorting some of my products. Next I'm going to apply some body paint. I used this one, but honestly, as you can see, it was very cheap. It really is not good, I can't recommend it at all. Also, please excuse me, I'm doing this for the second time and I have honestly no idea what I'm doing here, so if you need a tutorial to learn how to apply body paint properly, please go look at someone else's videos. If you still wonder how I did it, I damped my sponge a little and then went right into the body paint, applying it like my usual makeup. It still ended up looking super patchy, and honestly, I don't know if it's the quality of the body paint that just sucks, or if it's actually my mistake and I applied it wrong. I then used the powder I usually use for cosplaying in hopes it would smoothen out the rough edges of my body paint a little. I'm still not sure whether that worked out, to be honest. I can guarantee you though, for the eye makeup my explanations will get better. I started off by using this warm pink as a base and applied it from the outer corner inwards all over my eyelid and a little above. I then proceeded in the same way with my lower eyelid. With this cooler pink tone, I then proceeded to do basically the same thing to deepen the edges. If you think about it like art, the first color serves as some kind of sketch, while this one is making it more defined. I also extended this one a little outwards to make that triangle shape that will later serve as a guideline for my eyeliner. I apply the eyeliner in a medium thick line above my eyelid and then proceed, as teased before, to move it along the edge of the eyeshadow. To make it look clean, I connect the wing back to my lid. The goal is to make the wing a little upwards turned to give a somewhat friendly expression. For the lower line I start at the middle, then follow the natural shape of my eye and only extend it outwards at the end. The shape should match the angle of the wing. Afterwards, I take a black hole pen. I like the ones with those tips the most. I don't fill in all of my waterline and instead start at the middle and only draw it towards my inner corner. This way it connects to the eyeliner in shape. On my upper lid I fill it in completely. This step is optional. If you can't do it or your eye is sensitive, leave it be. Next I take this vibrant pink shade. This will serve as the key color and will determine the shape of the eyeshadow the most. I apply it from the outer corner inwards and only blend it towards the middle. In best case, it gives soft cut crease vibes here. I then shade only along the eyeliner for the lower part as well. And then blend it a little outwards to make it smooth. This is a very layered look, so I take an even darker color just to deepen the shade further. Notice the darker it gets, the more I will only use it outside and closer to the eyeliner. With the backside of my brush I print on his additional eyes. Of course, things don't always work on the first try, so make corrections if necessary. With a rather shimmery eyeshadow, I then highlight my inner corners and blend it towards the pink to really make a clean look. I also use it to highlight this part under my eyebrows, my nose, and my lips. Afterwards, I simply draw on the desired shape of my eyebrows with this black eyebrow pen. Afterwards, I contour my face with the same pink shades I used in my look before. And we're halfway done. Don't forget to stay hydrated and drink something before you apply your lip makeup, because you most definitely will not do so after. Once again, I use the same shades I used before. I first apply lighter tone all over my lip and then shade it with a darker one inside. For my upper lip, I first draw the general shape with my eyeliner, because I'm sure this one will not smudge and will also last all day, so at least parts of my lip will not be suddenly gone. On my mouth corners, I extend it slightly outwards. For me, it always works to just follow the natural line of my lip and extend it. With black eyeshadow, I then fill in the rest. I don't know if it's me, but Angel Dust needs glitter. I apply a thin line along my eye socket and another one at the inner corner of my eye. I really think that glitter makes the look pop, especially when in good lighting for doing videos, for example. For the same reason, I always add a small dot inside of each of the additional eyes, because it just reflects nicely when being in light. Then grab your favorite mascara and do your eyelashes. And that's it, that's my finished look. Thank you so much for watching to the end of this tutorial. I really hope that I could somehow help you out with the makeup I did here, or like get you inspired to like do your own version of Angel Dust. And I can't wait to see the results, or like hear in the comments what you would like to see next, whether it was helpful, whether, I don't know, there's something you specifically liked or disliked. And yeah, see you next time!